Today's headlines are dominated by challenges such as corruption, environmental degradation, inequality, and social injustice, all stemming from a fundamental lack of ethical consideration. Ethical frameworks enable an awareness of our role in making a positive impact through our actions. Welcome to 7mile's Ethical Pathways program, where we embark on a transformative journey into the heart of ethics. This journey will illuminate your path toward ethical integrity and purposeful action. Join us and explore how your approach to ethics contributes to a more equitable and sustainable world. Ethics can be the compass that navigates us through mazes of right and wrong, intricately embedding itself into our everyday decisions. Decisions that pivot around fairness, responsibility, and the well-being of all. Picture a world where actions resonate with these principles. That's the world we should all aspire to build. Let's delve into understanding ethics. Ethics beckons us to ponder, engage in discourse, and introspect. Echoing the words of Socrates, education is the kindling of a flame, not the filling of a vessel. Our approach ignites this metaphorical flame, engrossing you in critical thinking and inquiry, anchored in the teachings of ancient philosophers and the quandaries of our Gen AI era. To appreciate ethical behavior is to realize that it isn't merely about compliance with laws, it's about aligning actions with moral virtues. It signifies making choices that elevate us and the communities we are a part of. The 7mile Ethical Pathways one-day workshop offers an immersive experience into what it means to live and act ethically in all walks of life. Our one-day workshop is a transformative journey. It amalgamates inquiry-based learning, collaborative workshops, and personal development into a comprehensive curriculum that equips you to confidently navigate and influence your and society's future. Here are the key components of the workshop. Inquiry-based learning enables you to address real-world problems with creativity and critical thinking. Collaborative learning instills empathy and global citizenship through teamwork. Digital literacy and ethics help you comprehend the ethical implications of our digital and Gen AI world. Personal development fosters self-awareness and resilience, underpinned by Stoic wisdom. 7mile's continuous feedback loop is an innovative assessment model centered around personal growth and agency. 7mile's Ethical Pathways integrates the best of 2,000 years of philosophical wisdom to accentuate resilience, ethical integrity, and personal virtue, ensuring you're academically prepared and morally armed to make a positive impact on society. Remember, the workshop is an important springboard, initiating a lifelong journey towards ethical enlightenment and action. Join us to ignite your flame of wisdom, and together we can illuminate the path towards a more ethical, equitable, and compassionate world. Are you prepared to partake in this transformative experience? Contact us today and set forth on your journey towards ethical mastery. Visit the 7mile website at 7mile.org.au and inquire about the Ethical Pathways program.